Jake I work at Steelway Building Systems here in Aylmer, Ontario, Canada. I've been with Steelway for 26 years. My title here at Steelway is a Director of Product Excellence. I oversee all the capital expenditures, so I look after all the equipment being purchased, continually improving the process of our operations. Finding skilled labor, welding labor is very challenging, especially being out here in a rural area. It's hard to attract welders, skilled welders to come out to where we are located. We originally had a robot that we're using to weld the one side of our beams. We wanted to advance that. We came across AGT at FabTech in Chicago, and we seen that AGT was actually manipulating and rotating the beams. So we wanted to contact them and figure out how that could help us with three-plate, welding our three-plate on all four sides so that we could speed up our process and get more throughout the door.
My name is Randy de Steelway. I'm a robotic weld cell coordinator. I do some welding and I can also fit. I operate the machine at the computer console. I load three-plate beams in and the robot the missing welds. The previous robot was right here. There's 2 more stations of manual welders. This system is better, easier to learn, capable of more welding. It's able to rotate and weld all 4 sides of the beam. For the amount of welding that this system does, it is faster than the previous system.
We made it a lot more productive with the robot because now we're not having to worry about welding the continuous plates. The robot is now welding all 4 sides, so the welders are now concentrating on smaller repairs, bigger repairs, and then sending it off to paint. We added a second robot to the BeamMaster. We've seen how efficient it was, so we added a second robot and we lengthened our initial zone by 14 or 15 feet to optimize the longer pieces that we have so that we could weld on 2 zones. The longest beam we've been able to do is 60 feet. We limit 60 feet based on our warehouse. So we were always able to do 60-foot beams, but we're able to now push the one zone out 15 feet to allow 45, 50-foot beams on the one zone and then still utilize the second zone to weld all the smaller pieces. We use advanced steel. So in advanced steel up front, we're drawing all our buildings in advanced steel. So we export IFC files from advanced steel over into the Cortex software to create the programs. We're very proud of the machine and how it's producing and what it's doing for us. Obviously the future for us is to buy more robots. We'd like to continue on and add on to our existing one that we have today, and also possibly adding one over into our hot rolled structural section where we can utilize a robot on that side welding the hot rolled beams. Allow this robot to concentrate on the 3-plate sections. We don't have to have bloopers. Yeah.